We started the week with work underway to clean up and prepare the north side of the site for the next phase to begin. Down by the new ramp, minor adjustments are still being made to prepare for the move to that dock. Tuesday proved uneventful, but on Wednesday, we saw Ontario Dive Services return with boats and in-water curtains. Large objects like this emergency exit ladder were moved away from the worksite. Wednesday also saw the exchange of a drive unit on the Wolfe Islander III. That brought the Wolfe Islander IV out of the new dock and temporarily into service. A large cradle is used to house the incoming and outgoing drive units. Whilst the exchange was taking place, the Wolfe Islander IV functioned flawlessly. She would end the day docked for the time being at the old ramp, whilst the Wolfe Islander III assumed full duties in the new one. By the old ramp, curtains were being unloaded and filled with flotation. Thursday saw preparations for work continue and the Wolfe Islander III working well from the new ramp. New traffic arrangements caused minor confusion to some, but by and large worked well. Looking around the site, it seems very likely that next week will be a busy one. Friday began with a bit of a conference, but planning is never a bad thing. It is not uncommon for Wolfe Islanders to make their final journey on the ferry. These occasions are treated with considerable reverence and appropriate respect. One of them occurred this Friday. As attention turns back to the dock, it's clear that considerable preparations are underway to begin work on the next phase, extension of what was the old ramp. As the week draws to a close, the Wolfe Islander III is confidently approaching and using the new dock. A great deal of hard work and considerable effort is clearly paying off. Around the corner, a fairly challenging journey through ice has brought the Amherst Islander II to serve as a backup ferry, should the need arise. Let's hope it doesn't, and thanks for watching.